In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or turn off comments on Facebook page by following these simple instructions. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want your post on your Facebook page to be disabled or turned off, it's pretty simple. First, I'll go ahead and compose a comment. So I'm here on my Facebook page and I'll go ahead and just write anything. For instance, I can just write hello world and then post it like that. So my post is now live. However, you can see we have comments, which means someone or anyone can comment on this post. However, I'd like to disable these comments. To do so on this page is quite simple. Just head over to this post and here is my post. Then tap on these three dots here. So if you tap on this, now we have an option here on who can comment on your post. So if you tap on it, you can see we have either public, established followers, profiles and pages you follow, and profiles and pages you mention. Go ahead and change it from public or any of this to profiles and pages you mention. So what this means is that only profiles and pages you mention will be able to comment. So if you had mentioned anyone or any page in your comment, then those people you mentioned are the only ones who will be able to comment. Then go ahead and tap on done, and now your comment section will be disabled. So that's how you can turn off comments on Facebook page. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.